Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn off the car engine. Pull up the handbrake. Lift the windscreen wiper arm. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. Insert it into the metal cylinder of the arm, then flip it so that it is like an extension of the arm itself. Delicately place it down onto the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper arm and apply pressure to unclip the blade. Position the new wiper so that the small fixing bar is located in the front of the hollow in the wiper. Apply pressure towards you to reclip the new rubber wiper until you hear a little click. Finally, place everything down on the windscreen. Operation completed.